In this video, I'll show you how to set a live wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can use a video from your gallery or even third-party apps, but in this video, I'll show you how to do it without downloading anything extra. Let's get started. Method 1. Set live wallpaper from gallery. First, open the Gallery app on your phone. Now, select any video you want to use as your live wallpaper. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Tap Set as Wallpaper. Trim the video to choose the part you want to display. Tap Done in the top right corner. Lock your phone and you'll see your video playing as a live wallpaper. Method 2. Using Wallpaper and Style settings. Tap and hold on an empty space on your home screen. Tap Wallpaper and Style in the bottom left corner. Tap Lock Screen Wallpaper. Then tap Wallpaper in the top left corner. Choose Gallery. Tap Videos. Select your video and tap Done at the top right. Then, adjust or trim it if needed. Tap Done. Changes applied to the lock screen. Now just lock your phone and you'll see your live wallpaper in action on the lock screen of your Samsung S26 Ultra. That's how easy it is to set a live wallpaper using your own videos. No third-party apps needed. Thanks for watching.